If you are working on articulation carryover for your articulation students in speech therapy, and you're looking for maybe an activity with a little bit less structure so that your students can practice identifying their sound and words with their sound and practice it in a little bit of a less structured task, digital stickers are a great option. I just have a blank slides presentation, a blank Google Slides presentation here, and I'm going to pull over these digital stickers that are vegetables. From a digital sticker sheet. These are in my TPT store. I'm going to select the ones I want, which is all 12 of them. I'm going to hit Control C to copy. I'm going to come over to the blank Google Slides presentation and hit Control V to paste. And so now I have all the digital stickers over here on this blank page. I also still have them here on the original to use in future activities. But I'm going to come over here, and then maybe I have a student that is working on R, and we are working at the phrase or sentence or kind of structured conversation level. And so I want them to practice identifying words that have their sound. And so maybe they're going to come through. Maybe I want to put all the stickers down at the bottom for right now. And then, and then we're going to hunt for some words with the sound and without the sound. So maybe I will say, over here, we're going to say has an R sound, and I can make that text bigger, and I can center it. And then I'm just going to copy that text box, put it over here, and say, this side doesn't have an R sound. And so now my student is just going to sort the words that have the target sound or not. So potato, maybe they're going to say doesn't have an R sound. You can also make these smaller if you want to, if that's easier to manipulate for whatever activity you choose. So that is just a really quick way to practice articulation, maybe with less structure. You can obviously make sentences out of the words. You can practice them each 5 times. You can do other kind of more language-based activities, but that still allow your student to practice some of those sounds once you've maybe identified which ones have the target sound. So you could, keep all the ones like broccoli and pepper and cauliflower and cucumber, and just kind of do some other language activities about how they're alike and how they're different, but you're still focusing on their articulation, even though you're kind of adding a language element as sort of stepping back with the structure. You're keeping the articulation as the focus, but doing some more activities with a language focus. So anyway, as you can see, there are tons of possibilities for ways to move these stickers around and manipulate them, categorize them, talk about them, that allow you to target articulation at a more conversational level.